guys, it's Kevin with K Squared Fitness. Today I'm going to be breaking down the Pike Hold. Alright guys, so key points of performance. This is one of the very beginner stages of our handstand series. So anytime we're getting into a handstand progression, first thing to think about is always getting the habit of having big base for your fingers. As we start to get upside down, we want to get a habit of having a big balance structure. So that's number one. The actual Pike Hold is when we're trying to get our hips above our shoulders, being on the tippy toes, and not letting the heels touch the ground all the way to my legs. We're trying to get in the habit of getting the weight on all the way on the shoulders, and getting the butt high, all the way is on my toes. Locked out elbows. Another little trick too is when you're getting upside down, always trying to make the heels touch, the way everything's in line here. Heels together, arms locked out. That's the Pike Hold. You master that, you'll be getting into the pike push-up soon. But you gotta master the shape first. That's the Pike Hold, get after it.